Hi everyone, welcome to Free Your Mind and Open Your Heart. Today we will talk about an interesting topic, neuroplasticity, what it is and why it's important, so let's get started. Let's make a brief background first. Beliefs and theories about how the brain works have evolved substantially through the years. Early researchers believed that the brain was fixed, while modern advances have indicated that the brain is more flexible. During the first half of the 20th century, researchers believed that changes in the brain could only take place during infancy and childhood. By early adulthood, it was believed that the brain's physical structure was mostly permanent. However, by the 1960s, researchers began to explore cases in which older adults who had suffered massive strokes were able to regain functioning, demonstrating that the brain was more malleable than previously believed. Modern researchers have also found evidence that the brain is able to rewire itself following damage, and that continues to create new neural pathways and alter existing ones in order to adapt to new experiences, learn new information, and create new memories. Thanks to modern advances in technology such as MRI, which means magnetic resonance imaging, scientists are able to get a never-before-possible look at the brain's inner workings. As the study of modern neuroscience flourished, a body of research has demonstrated that people are not limited to the mental abilities they are born with, and that damaged brains are often quite capable of remarkable change. As a consequence of these new discoveries and studies, a new modern term had to be defined, a concept which involves this property of the brain of being flexible, so researchers came up with the idea of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity, also known as brain plasticity, is a term that refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt as a result of experience. When people say that the brain possesses plasticity, they are not suggesting that the brain is similar to plastic, but the prefix neuro refers to neurons, the nerve cells that are the building blocks of the brain and nervous system, and plasticity refers to the brain's malleability. There are two main types of neuroplasticity: functional plasticity, which is the brain's ability to move function from a damaged area of the brain to other undamaged areas, and structural plasticity, which is the brain's ability to actually change its physical structure as a result of learning. Why is important neuroplasticity? Well, there are many benefits of neuroplasticity. It allows your brain to change and adapt, which helps promote the ability to learn new things, the ability to enhance your existing cognitive capabilities, recovery from strokes and traumatic brain injuries, strengthening areas if some functions are lost or decline, improvements that can keep your brain fit and so prevent early mental decline. In other words, thanks to neuroplasticity, we are able to learn new things no matter the age, and we can even prevent certain mental illness in the future by training and improving neuroplasticity. Then how can I improve my neuroplasticity? Well, physical exercise, learn a new language, learn how to play an instrument, reading, creating art, and getting plenty of sleep are things that stimulate positive changes in the brain and help to keep it healthy. Another benefit about this concept is breaking down bias about individuals on the autism spectrum, Down syndrome, and other conditions or mental disabilities, because contrary to what assumed in the past, they can actually learn new things, develop new skills, improve their cognitive condition, and even become functional adults with the proper monitoring and support. Summarizing, if our brain had a neuroplasticity, we wouldn't be the intelligent species that we are now, and we probably wouldn't have thrived on Earth, since our brain wouldn't be able to adapt to the environmental changes, learn from experiences, develop new abilities, and recover from damage. hence the importance of neuroplasticity. Well guys, that is all for now. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.